So FFA stands for Future Farmers of America. It's the largest student-led organization across the United States. A lot of it is career-based, leadership-based, and communications-based. So we wanted to do community barn days since we just got our barn this year and we got it from the bond from the community. We're showing off our animals, we're showing off other projects that students have made, kind of opening it to the community to see what their hard work has done. We have 2 booths that are from outer companies that have done a lot for us through our events. We have a booth that is for our ag market. So throughout this past semester, our Ag 4 students have been putting together hard work every single day in their 5th hour class period to be able to put together projects to sell here. The money raised at all of our booths are gonna go towards the program and basically the club. So like the ag market ones are gonna go towards making our new projects for our end of year banquet. And then the 2 student SAE booths, their money is gonna go towards themselves to continue their SAE projects.